Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind workshop. Before I start today's project, I would just like to say a massive thank you to Rob from the Weekend Shedhead channel for recommending my channel to his viewers, the result being more subscribers in one day than I had got on my own in the best part of a year. And I'd also like to thank all the subscribers that have come over and all the people that have left really lovely comments. I really appreciate it. It's really sort of blown me away. But yeah, so again, thank you to Rob and thank you to everyone that's come over. There's also going to be a special announcement at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that, please. And now on today's project, and it's a pretty simple one really. I've been asked to make a bird box for my nan. So yeah, let's get on with it. I've already cut all the pieces I'm going to need to size, just to save a bit of time on the video length. And so I've got two pieces for the sides. They are that long with a 15-degree angle cut along the top, 90 along the bottom. That is my back piece, and it is that long, that wide. They're all that wide. This is my roof piece, and it is that long with two 15-degree angles cut at parallels on each end, like that. This is my front of the bird box. It's got one 15-degree angle cut at the top and a 90 at the bottom, and that the longest side of that is that long, with the 15-degree coming off of that angle. And finally my bottom, which is that long by same width as everything else pretty much. This is all scrap pieces of 1x6, and it's just a really quick project, like I say. And these will all go together like this. So one side piece down, then the back piece, then the front piece, then the bottom, and the lid will be put on with a hinge. And there's the other side piece. I'm going to start by putting two side pieces on the back piece. I'm just going to use 35mm brad nails or pin nails. Never really sure what to call these. don't know if it depends on where you're from. Perhaps you can leave a comment and tell me the correct name for these. Now I'm going to glue the front on. Now I'm gluing the bottom on. Now that the main box is assembled, I can look at attaching the roof piece, which needs to be hinged so that you can clean it out every year. What I've got is this little stainless steel hinge, and I'm going to get that screwed on just roughly in the centre. Doesn't need to be precise. I've got a self-centering drill bit. I've just got some 12mm screws. Now I'm going to drill a 28mm hole in the front of the bird box with a spade bit. From what I've been told, the hole needs to be between 28 and 35mm depending on the size of the birds that you want in the bird box. So I'm going to go with the 28, and if my nan wants a bigger hole, I will make it bigger for her. I've just made a mark off camera roughly in the centre and roughly 2/3 of the way up. 2/3 to 3/4 of the way up. get a clamp on this box so it don't go flying. I'm just applying very light pressure so that I don't cause too much breakout on the inside. Ideally, I would have drilled this hole before fixing it to the box. And yeah, little bit of breakout. Nothing too bad. And I'm just going to use a half moon rasp just to clean up the breakout. Now I'm just going to drill a hole to fit a perch about 2 or 3 centimeters below the hole. Get a little bit of glue on that. The other thing I've done is I've just put a screw in the roof and a screw in the side, and when I find an elastic band, I can put an elastic band around it, and that will stop the wind from lifting the roof. One last thing I need to do is just drill a mounting hole in the top of this backboard. And that is it, finished. I don't think that's too bad for about 45 minutes work. I mean, it's not the nicest finish in the world. It's just pieces of scrap pine. There's bits of breakout and splits in it, but you're not going to cut yourself on it. It's functional. It doesn't need treating. You're not supposed to treat birdhouses. So yeah. So for that special announcement I mentioned earlier, off the back of Rob from the Weekend Shedhead recommending my channel to his viewers and my sub count flying through the roof, I would like to announce that I will be doing a giveaway. I'm not sure what I'll be giving away yet, but I will be doing a giveaway if I reach 1,000 subs. Most of you came over from Rob's channel, but for anyone that didn't and doesn't know his channel, I'll put a link in the description below. It's absolutely brilliant. He does loads of reviews on like parkside tools and sort of budget tools in general. It's very entertaining and it's really funny, and it's a brilliant channel. Thank you for watching. Thanks again to Rob from the Weekend Shedhead. Thank you for everyone that's subscribed and commented lately, and I'll see you in the next video.